In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wrike with your Outlook calendar. By the end of this session, you'll be able to seamlessly connect these two powerful tools, allowing you to manage your projects and schedule with greater efficiency. Whether you're experienced with these platforms or just getting started, I'll guide you through the whole process step by step. Let's dive in. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wrike account. When you arrive at the home page or the app interface, locate the login button and give it a click. If you're using Google as your primary sign-in method, you can simply click on Google and then select your specific account from the list that appears. This should bring you into your workspace without any hassle. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to your specific project. This is key because you'll need to access the correct workspace to initiate the integration with Outlook Calendar. So find your project from your list and make sure you're on the right page. Now take a look at the top right area of your screen right under the automation tab. This is where you'll find a drop down menu that you need to click. This drop down will contain various options related to your project and integrations. Since we're focusing on integrating with Outlook, it's essential to select the appropriate choice. Afterward, look for the Outlook option from the drop down or in the integrations area. Once you see it, go ahead and give it a click. This action is crucial as it directs you to a series of options where you can manage and establish the integration. Next, click on the Install for Office 365 button. If you are using Outlook as part of the Office 365 suite, this step ensures that you're setting up the integration correctly for your version of Outlook. This process should lead you directly to the Office 365 App Store. There, you'll find an option labeled Get It Now, so make sure to click on that. Clicking this will start the installation process, allowing you to link your Outlook calendar with Wrike. To proceed with the installation, you'll be prompted to type in your Outlook email address. Simply enter your details, ensuring everything is correct, because this information will authenticate your account for the new setup. Finally, proceed to sign in by clicking on the Sign In button and follow through with the installation prompts. Completing this installation process enables the connection between Outlook and Wrike, empowering you to manage your tasks and meetings in a more streamlined fashion. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Wrike with your Outlook calendar. With these two tools now working together, you can optimize your task and schedule management like never before. I hope you found this guide helpful and it enhances how you manage your projects and meetings. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing your work life.